and welcome back to my channel. My name's April, and guess what? I had another package arrive today, and look at the size of this thing. This package is huge. So what is in here are my 2 Scentsy Air Purifiers and a whole lot of pods. So I'm going to go ahead and unbox this, show you guys what I got, and I'll go ahead and read the description, take it out of the package, and I'll probably make another video demoing the air purifier, but I just really need to open this right now because I'm so excited. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and just jump right in. I ordered this on, oh gosh, I think it was Monday, this past Monday, and it arrived already today, Friday. So, holy cow, that's amazing. Unbelievable. Okay, so lots of padding to keep my purifier safe. Oh my gosh. And I kind of went overboard on the pods because, you know, I need pods. Okay. Oh, it smells so good already. Oh my god. Holy packing paper. All right, you guys. Oh. Take a look at all those pods. Oh, hit myself in the nose with a box. Okay. I'm so excited. All right, let's start with the air purifiers first. Okay. Look at that. There's 1 and 2. Now, I purchased these, one for my bedroom and one for my son's bedroom, and my cat right now is in the paper, so if you hear noise, that's her. Her name's Ozzy. Oh, she's a silly cat. Okay, so let's just open this up. So excited. I'll unbox it and then I'll like kind of read Scentsy's description of it. Okay, so here is the plug, and inside the packaging, it's packed really, really well. Oh, I'm so excited. Okay, I'll try to pull this out carefully. Okay. So here are the instructions. Right here, I'm gonna set that aside. And this is the air purifier. Now what makes this so unique is the fact that you can put 2 scented Scentsy pods in the top and have instant fragrance while you're purifying your air. To me, I was just like, yes, I need this. So yeah, it does come with a filter, and that is on the bottom. I'll go ahead and open that for you guys. It's an H13 HEPA filter. It's right here, and I know you need to obviously take this out. You know, I'll just go ahead and try to demo it right now. What the heck? I haven't read the instructions yet, but hopefully I can figure it out. Okay, so I took the filter out, I opened it up on the bottom. That's what it looks like inside. And so far it just seems like it's pretty straightforward. I was watching some people do it, and I know that right here, you can see it, there's an arrow right there. And you line it up with the arrow on the bottom here. Put it on and give it a twist, and it locks it back into place. And it's right there. There we go. And I heard the click, so I know I am good. There we go. And I'm going to go ahead and take off the little red sticky sticker tape that says to remove. Set that aside. And I'm going to put the plug in. So yeah, my son, my youngest, he has allergies really bad, so I feel like this will help, hopefully, give a little bit of allergy relief, and also keep his room clean, or smelling nice, because he's a boy, and it can get funky in there. Okay, unplug. Alright, so very, very simple. You can see the hole for the plug. Let me try to hold it up like this for you guys and just plug it in. There we go. Okay. I'm gonna, excuse me, pardon the reach. Plug it in. And let's see. I know that there are timers that you can use, and I'll show you really quickly. Right on top here, it's set. You can set it for 2 hours, 4 hours, or 8 hours on the top. And you can change the speed from low to high. And I also know they said there was an auto, and I believe that's right there. So right now, let's turn it on. I think you probably, ooh, there we go. Turn it on. And let's see. Ooh, okay, it's blowing out already. So far, so good. It's like not very loud at all. I think it's on the low setting, and I think it like, let's see, what does that do? I don't know. Maybe I should read the instructions. So, okay, is that the timer? Let's change this. Is that auto? I think so. Okay. So let's see. Hopefully my air is not super bad in here, because when it detects impure air that needs to be filtered out, this will turn red and let you know. So okay, maybe I should read the instructions. Okay, the hand speed, air quality indicator. Okay, right here. Yeah. Let's see when I do that, if it will do its thing to detect the air. Oh, okay. So that is if you want it to detect it. I think my air is actually okay right now, because this isn't turning red. I've seen videos where it turned red instantly on people, and mine's not, so yay! So there it is. I don't know, can you guys hear it? I'm gonna try to put it up to you. I do have a normal fan on in here, so if you hear that, that's probably it. So I think I'm in good shape with, like, in my front room, my air quality. So that is awesome. I'm gonna go ahead and turn this off. Should turn it off just like that. So there it is. Okay, and I'll go into greater detail in another video, but just wanted to kind of show you guys a little bit of it. Okay, so let's get into the pods. I don't even know how many I got. I got a lot. I will just go through them. I got a Just Breathe, Winterberry Apple Tea, Cloudberry Dreams, Luna, Coconut Lemongrass, Arctic Kiss, another Luna, Vanilla Mint, another Arctic Kiss, Amazon Rain, Dancing Sugar Plums, Cozy Cardigan. There's still so many in here. Jeweled Pomegranate, another Winterberry Apple Tea, a Vanilla Mint, another one, another, Very Merry Christmas, Berry Blessed, another Berry Blessed, another Very Merry Cranberry. I almost want to say Very Merry Christmas. Another Vanilla Mint, Cozy Cardigan, another Arctic Kiss, and another Just Breathe. And I know that looks excessive, but what I did was I placed a party order for myself, and the 2 diffusers alone qualified for a $500 party. So I got 3 half-off items and then product credit. So that's why there's so many pods in here. Okay. Oh, there's another one hiding. Another Cozy Cardigan. Oh my gosh. There's more. Oh my gosh. Okay. Another Polar Bear Hug. aloe water and cucumber. I love that in the wax. Another polar bear hug. Aloe water and cucumber. Another aloe water and cucumber. Okay, last pod. Another polar bear hug. And then I also had enough for some wax. My favorite. And I'm dropping things. It's so full over here on my table. Okay. These are new to me scents. Oh, look, and an ice pack. I picked up Be Merry. I have not smelled this before. Ooh. Oh, that smells so good. It's going to be perfect for Christmas time. And my other cat, she found the paper, so she's playing with that now. Cats are so funny. Red Berry and Spruce. Oh. I love these kind of Christmas scents because they're not like too strong. They're just perfect. Just very, very balanced. Fruity and a little woodsy. Fantastic. Okay, another Very Merry Cranberry, and I have not smelled this before. A little spicy, but not too spicy. That smells really good. Arctic Kiss. I already know that I love this one. So good. Snowberry. I know a lot of people love Snowberry. It's like strawberry, cranberry, and I think peppermint, but it's so light to me. And I really can't smell it that well. Maybe warmed it will smell better. Does anybody know? I'm hoping I love it. And Jeweled Pomegranate. I have not tried this one either. Ooh. Definitely a winter scent. I like that. It smells really good. Okay, so this video was kind of interesting, fast. I don't know, I really wasn't prepared, but I had to dig into this, you guys. I had to show you. I had to open it up. So thank you so much for watching. I will try to do a better demo and know what I'm doing with this, but so far so good. I think my air quality is good in my house. I'm hoping that it was, and for sure will be after this. So thank you so much, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Give me a like and subscribe, and I will talk to you soon.